Here's a 2012 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban has dominated the road since 1935. This model continues the tradition with the power, efficiency, and adaptability you'd expect. It comes nicely equipped with features you love: external memory control, power heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Kelley Blue Book remarks boat and trailer owners in particular gravitate toward Suburbans, which offer up to 8,100 pounds towing capacity. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.